Oh, do you hear that? A dripping tap. Don't worry about that. Hi, I'm Andrew from Hts Plumbing. Do you have a plumbing problem at your home or business? Don't panic and trust fixing it to just anyone. Call Hts Plumbing in Maribyrnong and Moonee Valley, and I'll be there in a jiffy. We'll assess the problem, we'll tell you the cost, and it'll be done before you know it. You know, if not taken care of quickly, your plumbing problem will turn to a plumbing disaster, costing you a fortune and your money going down the drain. So, get your problem fixed as soon as possible by calling Hts Plumbing. Ah, there I am.